This is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma welcoming you all to the new program that's called Wellbeing by PBN. Today we are going to discuss something very important, a habit which you must have in your life, a habit which can change your life to a great extent. Keeping our mental health and our physical health in order helps us to achieve whatever we want in our life. And today we are going to have one very important thing which if we make it a part of our routine, it can change our lives. And that thing is habit of reading books. Books are your favorite companions. Books are your companions when there is nobody. Books are your companions when you are looking for the right guidance. So many things books do for us, and we must keep the books at our closest vicinity so that we can keep in touch with these books. What are these books? Anything that you like, but not fiction, not horror, books that actually motivate you. Today I am going to share a few names also, few names of the authors whose books can change your life. I have been deeply impacted with these books. These are the books which have been written by Louise Hay, Deepak Chopra, and I'll give you the names of the books also. You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay, then Deepak Chopra has The Spiritual Laws, then we have Joe Vitale, then we have Robin Sharma. These are the authors who motivate you. People call them self-help books. Why do people call them self-help books? Because they help yourself. When you want to achieve something in life, when you want to grow in life, when you want to do something that people say you will not be able to do, these books are your best friends. When you read these books day in day out, when you read these books when you are going to sleep or when you wake up in the morning, these books really guide you. They tell you what is the way to take, how you can improve your life, and how you can make a difference in others' lives also. It is very important that we take care of ourselves, and not only ourselves, others as well. So how can we do that? By reading these books, we can share these ideas with our friends also. Many a times I read a few books and then I recommend those books to my friends. I also like the idea of gifting the books. When you feel that a certain book has changed your life, you can gift it to your loved ones. There are so many occasions, birthdays, anniversaries, our first meetings. All these occasions can be made special by gifting books. Also, I would like to mention Rhonda Byrne's books. Rhonda Byrne's series of books that are called the Secret series. The first book is The Secret, then The Power, The Magic, also The Hero, and How the Secret Changed My Life. These are 4-5 books that you must have in your collection. These books can change your life entirely. Believe me, books are your best friends, and books have a deepest impact on you. They influence your mentality, they influence your thought process. When you read good books, your thought process becomes good. And it is always said that a man is known by the company he keeps. So if you are keeping the right books in your company, then automatically people who are going to look at you are going to be impressed. You will be influenced by the author's thought process. Believe me, if you are reading a good book for at least 21 days, it will certainly have an impact on your thinking process. Your thinking would definitely improve. Only thing that you have to do, you have to give time. Also, they are your best companions. These days so many people feel lonely. When books are there around you, when you are reading right kind of books, and when you are enjoying that reading process and letting that information sink in, sharing that information with friends, then nothing can make you feel that you are alone. So go ahead, read good books and enjoy this habit. Another thing that we are going to share in the next video is how the TV content can change your life. What you watch on TV also has an impact. So if you have any questions or queries regarding the books that you can read, you can leave it in your comment box and I'll answer the same. This is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma signing off from Wellbeing by PBN. Take care, God bless you, have a wonderful day.